Shares in European arms makers surged on Monday. They were boosted by the prospect of higher spending in the region. At a summit in London on Sunday, 2 days after Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky clashed with US President Donald Trump, European leaders agreed they must spend more on defence. Separately, Reuters reported that parties in talks to form Germany's new government are considering setting up a defence fund. Gains in defence stocks drove a broader gauge of aerospace and defence companies up more than 6% to a record high. The index has more than doubled since Russia invaded Ukraine 3 years ago. Janet Moy is from RBC Brewin Dolphin.
The increase in defense spending is one area that has some more visibility. At least I think there's a lot of commitment, and it is in fact essential, right? I think Europe has admittedly been underspending on defense for a while, and finally it is likely to ramp it up. And I think particularly investors are confident that the new German government would be able to borrow more, relax its fiscal rules, and also there's a likelihood to establish a defense fund.
JP Morgan analysts said the events of the last 2 weeks have turbocharged their thesis of a European rearmament cycle, with Europe seeking to gradually make more of its own military equipment and import less from the US. Shares in Europe's biggest defence company, BAE Systems, had risen around 15% in Monday morning trade. Germany's Hensoldt, which provides sensor systems for the Eurofighter, jumped around 30% to a record high.